Hey guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about things that bring me joy. If I want to have a day where I just need a pick-me-up, or I just want to feel my best, or I want to look my best, these are just little things that I have around my house that bring me joy and make me feel good. They are mostly beauty and skincare related, but then I have a few other things, well, maybe one there. Also, I have birds in my front yard going absolutely nuts. And my son is in his exerciser right over here. Hi, baby. So if you hear noises, that's him. Okay, let's get started. First thing that I do on my day to feel good is coffee. Honestly, at least one cup of uninterrupted coffee is my go-to. I love this Starbucks cinnamon dolce coffee. Now, something about coffee is I love cinnamon, but I don't actually like cinnamon in the coffee that I'm putting it in there myself. Cinnamon is something that it doesn't dissolve. But with this, when you have like flavored coffee, whatever they do to it, I think makes it taste good. Oh, good. Some other things that make me feel good. This is the Dove Nourishing Body Care Cream Oil with Shea Butter. I was really skeptical about this at first, but I really like it. This actually makes my skin very moisturized for at least 24 hours. Making sure that my skin is not super dry and cracked and flaky makes me feel very much taken care of. I think that the Shea Butter does a really good job. This is what, like $4 or $5 that I got at the store, and you don't actually need all that much. It also, yeah, it doesn't really have a scent. It has this shea butter scent to it, but it's not actually scented, which I prefer in my body lotions. I don't prefer to have a scent. I prefer to add that in with Perfume, which is another one of my favorites. Where did it go? So if I really want a pick-me-up to feel good about myself throughout the day, I'm going to put on a perfume. Now, I got a set of two. These are Michael Kors Wanderlust. This is the original and the Sublime. I use the Sublime almost exclusively. This has quickly become I'll show you so you can see. Wanderlust Sublime has quickly become... Are you okay? He's okay. What was I saying? Yes. This has quickly become my go-to perfume. I love this smell. Wearing a perfume does wonders for me. Also, painting my nails is something that makes me feel good. This is the Cirque Colors in the shade Subculture. It is a holographic. I don't have it on my nails right now, but there it is on my twosies. I will go into the light and just like look at this holographic nail stuff. Plus, this is my favorite formula for nail polish, and silver glitter is probably my favorite color as well. So making sure my nails are done, if I so choose, is also on the list. When I'm in the shower, if I want to feel good, I want my hair to feel nice and moisturized. It is wet because it was in the shower, but the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask is a feel-good favorite for me. If my hair is like dry and needs attention, I'm not gonna feel good. But if I go ahead and do a deep conditioning mask like this, it's going to contribute to how I'm feeling throughout the day. This is expensive. I think I went through this in about, I bought it for my birthday. Honestly, like 9 to 10 weeks. And I used this as my conditioner, not like a once a week thing, but I also use a lot of it. This is my favorite conditioner by far that I've tried. I love the way it makes my hair feel. Something else that makes me feel well, let me mention my shirt here. My initials are on this pocket. This is like the most comfortable, this is the most comfortable shirt that I own. I got it from Marley Lily. It's just a company based out of South Carolina that does monograms. I like having monogrammed things. But this is it's not your normal t-shirt material. It's that kind of like weathered, I don't know the name of it, but I like it, and I like that it's pink. I think pink flatters my skin very well. And I also love teal, and I love monogram things. I'm in like my comfy jeans, like this is going to make me feel good because it's going to be very, very comfortable. So that is also on the list. I will also link all of these things down in the description box below. Okay, for makeup. All right, I have eyeshadows, and then we'll be done. The first thing I'm going to show you, I have on my eyes today, is a ColourPop Super Shock. You okay? Hi. I was saying, this is a ColourPop Super Shock in Lightning Bug. It's an orange. Orange is my favorite eyeshadow on my skin tone. This is so quick and easy. I just did a one eyeshadow color today. They make me feel great because I know that it's gonna look good, and it's just like one and done. I love the formula of this. Also, this little stack from Kaja, this is Chocolate Dahlia. It's just three colors. And there's two mattes in here. There's a deep chocolate, which I actually put in my eyebrows now that I've colored my hair. A mid-toned taupe and like a pink-ish shimmer. I love my eye looks whenever I wear this. I feel gorgeous because these colors just, they go together so well. It complements my skin tone, and I feel like $1 million whenever I do wear this little stack. Also, if you're talking about palettes, this is the #1 palette that I have in my collection that if I want to feel like $1 million, I will wear this. I mentioned this in an Instagram post the other day. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. I love the colors. I think the story is very flattering on the skin. It's very warm. I also think that the way that these shadows blend together, the shimmers on the lid, it's just so perfect. If I want to really just knock it out of the park, I will wear this. I can't kiss its butt enough. I'm not gonna swear, my baby's in the room. Something else that I just want to mention, a little bit of things that I do throughout the day or whatever. Shaving my legs brings me joy. I am the kind of person, I'm just one of these people that I have to shave my legs every day. I'm not like trying to be all cool about that. I'm just saying it honestly bothers me if I have like itchy legs with hair. It really bothers me. So for me, and that you don't have to do this, but for me, that makes me feel good and that brings me joy. Also, I'm being a broken record, but exercising, I just walk. I don't make it a point to like kill it and I work out. I go for a walk, especially since we're all kind of stuck inside at this point in time. Getting out for a daily walk is important for not only do I feel better physically, but mentally it makes me feel better. Something else that brings me joy, makes me feel good, is just to have a little chunk of time to watch whatever I want to watch on the TV, on Netflix, or on YouTube. After my baby's in bed, my husband's gone to bed, and I can do what I want with that time. Just that little chunk of time to have to myself. I think that's all I'm going to show you today. All that I could come up with on the spot. Those are my feel-good favorites. Things that I do, things that I have that make me feel good. What we're doing as a society and the world in general right now, I think we could all use a little bit of feel-good favorites. In the comments, let me know, what are your feel-good favorites? What is something that you do? What is something that you wear? What is something that you consume that makes you feel good about yourself every day or even occasionally? What is something that you do that makes you feel good? Oh, we're almost done, honey. If you like this kind of video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up to let me know you want to see more of these in the future. Subscribe before you leave. Stick around on my channel. See what other kinds of videos I have for your YouTube entertainment pleasure. Check me out on Instagram if you want to see pictures of moi and opinions that I have. I like Instagram. I want you to come join. Be kind to yourself out there, folks. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end of the video and putting up with my baby's noises, and I will catch you later.